Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty of the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is administer, a C1 level verb that means to manage or be responsible for running something, such as an organization. It's a versatile word that you'll often encounter in professional and formal contexts. Let's break it down. To administer means to take charge of or oversee the operation of something. For example, you might administer a program at work, administer a school, or even administer medications in a healthcare setting. This word emphasizes responsibility and the act of ensuring things run smoothly. Some synonyms for administer include manage, supervise, oversee, and direct. For instance, she was chosen to manage the team during the project, or he will oversee the organization's budget for the next year. Each of these words shares a similar meaning, focusing on being in charge and ensuring tasks are completed effectively. On the other hand, antonyms for administer include neglect, ignore, mismanage, and abandon. For example, the program failed because it was neglected for months, or they lost their funding due to poor mismanagement. These words highlight the opposite meaning, where responsibility is not properly upheld. In everyday life, you might hear administer used in various contexts. For example, in the workplace, who will administer the new employee onboarding program? In education, the principal has to administer school-wide exams. And in healthcare, the nurse is qualified to administer this treatment. Here are a few more examples of administer in sentences. The government will administer the new housing initiative across all districts. The coach had to administer a strict training schedule to prepare the team for the championship. She was trusted to administer funds for the charity, ensuring every penny was accounted for. To summarize, today we explored the word administer, a powerful verb that signifies managing or being responsible for the operation of something. We discussed its definition, synonyms like manage and oversee, antonyms such as neglect and mismanage, and we saw how it can be applied in daily conversations. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the program. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using administer and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.
Goodbye.